Hey guys, it's Mr. Bison, and I am very excited because it is finally warm enough for me to be sat outside, so it's put me in such a good mood. But the warm weather does mean one thing, it does mean that exams are coming a bit closer. So in this video, I wanted to give you a few updates about what's been going on with me. First of all, I've got some plans to go and visit Türkiye, to go to Istanbul and Izmir. I'm going to visit my family, my friends, my Turkish tutor, Duygu, merhaba Duygu. And if you're Turkish, drop me a comment in Turkish. I'd love to do a little bit of extra practice of some translation as well. The second update is that in the Easter holidays, when I get back from Türkiye, I am going to be running my annual Aiming for A-Star classes. There's some for pure mechanics, statistics for maths. I've got them for core pure, some of the options modules for further maths as well. These are just a great opportunity to have an online class with me. They're about 2.5 hours long, plus an extra video afterwards going through some extra questions. They will just get you totally set up for your revision, for your exams, and just have you sort of leaving the sessions with a greater sense of confidence that you're going to be able to smash these exams. So if you're interested in coming to any of these, there's a link in the description that takes you through to the Bicen Maths box office. If you buy multiple sessions, there are some really big discounts available. And if you do receive a bursary from school, make sure you just email me with evidence of your bursary and I can give you some very big discounts so that they're a bit more accessible for people to be able to attend these. They do sell out each year though, so do try and get your tickets as soon as possible, otherwise you might not be able to attend the live sessions. And then perhaps one of the most exciting updates is I have finally got the winners of the Bicen Maths Award. So if you don't know what the Bicen Maths Award is, this year I've set up a scholarship for some students where they receive some money from me, and they also receive a graphics calculator from Casio, who have so kindly donated some of these calculator units for us. I did this because I just wanted to give back to this YouTube community, and I have to say, these applications, these video applications were so impressive. I received so many more applications than I ever could have dreamed for, and watching through them just left me with such a big heart at how passionate people were about maths and how proud people were of their education. The question where I asked people about what inspired them was brilliant. I loved that so much. So if you did submit an application, thank you so much, and look out for an email from me because I want to reply to everybody who had sent me one of those applications. And then here's kind of the important part. So these prizes, there is a prize of £150 from me, plus from some donations from a mature student called John Curtis, thank you so much, and also a company called NQ, who are some students who actually build websites. They're currently building my website. They have donated money so that the prize for each student is now £210 plus a graphics calculator from Casio. So huge thank you to the donations and to Casio for this. So without further ado, here are my 5 winners in no particular order. Starting off, we have Dylan C. Dylan C, your video was brilliant. I was so impressed by your amazing achievements, how you've studied so many further maths modules, doing your GCSE and A-level early. And I think you're going to be some big competition for me with your YouTube channel. I've linked it in the description, guys. Please go and look at Dylan's YouTube channel. Give it some love, make sure you're subscribed. It's some excellent content there. So thank you so much, Dylan, and well done. The next prize is to Haver F. Haver, your video was just so charming. You had excellent presentation skills. Your passion for maths just came across so clearly. So congratulations for being one of the Bicen Maths Award winners. And then my next one is to Armiti AC. This was for your resilience and your achievement when you moved to the UK, but also just your love of geometry and your excellent presentation skills. I thought your video was fantastic, so congratulations. The next prize is to Thomas M. Perhaps one of the most impressive mathematicians that I could ever have imagined. So many incredible achievements in maths. You did some really fun things that were giving back to your school and your community, like being the president of your maths society, setting up an integration bee. It's making me think maybe we should do an integration bee on this channel. Honestly, so impressive, and congratulations. And then the final prize is to Charles C. Charles, I was just so pleased to see how resilient you were in studying further maths, despite the fact that your school didn't offer it to you. You made some exceptional progress from GCSE, and just your passion for maths came across so clearly. But that's not it, actually. There are a few extra prizes because I have spoken to Casio and they have very kindly donated some additional calculators. So although these people won't be receiving a cash prize, these people really impressed me with their entries, and these people will also be receiving a CG50. Thank you, Casio. They are Khadija S, Mohammed Madi, Sydney K, Burhan U, Elizaveta S, and Hamad S. You impressed me so much with your videos. Congratulations, guys. Ooh, there is one more prize. There is a special prize for Saida Maria H. Now, Saida lives in Lahore in Pakistan and has done some incredible things in her school. But something that really impressed me was she set up a literacy club for the janitorial staff in her school, and I want to make a donation to that literacy club to improve those efforts. So well done for doing that kind of work, Saida, and obviously look out for an email from me where I can give you how I can give you that donation. So to all of those winners, look in your inboxes. There's going to be something from me about how I can get the calculators, the cash to you, and just one final well done to all of you. Anybody who applied, just so pleased to have done this whole process. Right, that's it from me. Do check out the link in the description if you want to come to any of my Aiming for A-star classes. I better go and do some Turkish practice. See you later, guys. Bye. Well done.